Okay, morning.
Good morning. I haven't taken any trades yet.
Taking OKLO short.
Oh, okay. I'm just going to be really patient today. I'm not going to take any trades for at least, I don't know, first 5 minutes, wait everything to finish.
Yeah, good idea.
I like this hymns higher. Yeah. GL. Wix. Wix looks good. WIX. WIX. Put in a bottoming tail. Let's see what the next bar does.
Low volume stop.
Also, there's LI.
Yeah, I had earning.
Yeah, and something from last week probably could be what was it? GL maybe this week. We'll see.
Reddit could be a dump.
RDDT, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if we have shares for that, but we can try it.
We would try.
I don't know how to get my RUnit thing working still, so what I'm gonna do is
Oh, you can short Reddit.
Oh really? Okay. It allows that.
Yeah.
Okay, well we got a green bar now, so
Yeah.
yes, we'll see. Yeah. Oh, Apple. Okay, Apple looks good for long over this last 5 minute high, but I'm gonna wait for it to clear 190.15 yesterday's. Well, Wix looks good, just triggered over a 5 minute opening range break. GLBE is also triggering below. GLBE. Looks good. Might take that with shares.
Yeah. Might take this short on LI.
Yeah, LI kind of looks good. How's that opening range? Gonna break underneath that. I guess it could be a good short. I'll jump in there with you. It just triggered.
Yeah.
And same with Reddit.
Yeah, Reddit.
And I'll try to take Wix long too. Reddit's good. Reddit's working. Going pretty fast.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you can go a little bit faster now. There's this GLBE, which looks good over $35. I might take. I watched so much videos this weekend, just trying to get specifically things better and seeing all these interesting. Oh, okay, 35. Gonna break over 35. Low. Low. I'm still waiting on you. All right, this LI's going. Apple's, I think, gonna trigger long in a second, but I don't like it. Apple's an inside day still, so I'm gonna stay away from Apple. And remember, I don't like trading inside days unless I trade the ranges, and so I'd be buying into a bunch of resistance. It may go through it, but it's just not, ideal here.
Yeah.
What would be ideal is a short underneath the lows, because that would be an outside day. Come on, LI, you can do it. You can keep going.
I don't like a Reddit doji, so trailing it to.
Okay, I'm staying in because the doji happened to bounce off that VWAP right there.
Yeah.
I'm thinking if this doji, if it's showing me where resistance is on Reddit as the doji,
Yeah.
then it may come and visit it again. You're right, but at the same time, if that doji is good, right? Remember we've talked about sometimes the break of the doji to the downside equals more downside. So hopefully, we'll see. Hopefully this goes. But I totally understand. Yeah, not as nice as it was earlier.
Yeah.
It's interesting. The morning is such a price discovery kind of thing where you get these moves and they could just totally reverse, and that's it for the day going that direction.
Yep.
But it's really important that I was looking at my strategies, and in the morning there's the opening range break and then the 8 and VWAP pullbacks. So basically, those are the two things that happen in the morning in the direction of the trend, and then the other thing that happens in the opposite direction of the trend is where you get the morning transition trades, where instead of it doing the VWAP pullback, it breaks above the VWAP, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it ends up becoming kind of like a long, and you're like, damn, okay, all right, I gotta go long now on it. And then I was looking about, okay, what happens if you miss those two? What happens next? And I saw, oh, okay, it usually then kind of catches up to the 20. Like something happens where the 20 catches up. The stock is so strong that it catches up to the 20. And then I'm like, okay, I get it. And then after that, I noticed after that, it's the reversal time, where it's like the stock, does a 180 and you're pretty much done in the morning. That's the setups that happen in the morning. There goes Reddit.
Reddit, low.
Yeah, just holding on, hold on. Hopefully, we can get a little bit lower. And then, you know, what's fascinating is that after that, come on, Reddit. After those setups, you get the midday VWAPs, you get the midday transitions, you get the power trends that just keep going higher that you never want to short, you know. And then you get the late day breakouts, and then the end of day climactics. So there's basically 5 setups in the morning and then 5 setups in the afternoon. And it's like if you try to, oh wow, Microsoft going up.
Wow, look at EH. You missed that open range.
EH, okay. EH. Dang. Well, that looks really good for a short.
Yeah.
Get Al Brooks the next bar. Dang, yeah, that looks really good. Hopefully, it can keep going. Well, let's wait for this 5-minute bar, but the next bar, you know.
Yeah.
Moving my stop loss on LI a little lower towards the price now.
Yeah.
Just in case, you know.
Hope it can come down to $8.
Yeah. So the way I'm doing it is anything under $100, I'm taking 15 shares.
Okay.
Anything above $100, when I trade it, I'm taking 5 shares. And this way, I don't have to calculate my risk in it all that much. Unfortunately, and then also I can add, you know, without having to worry about ruining my cost average and stuff like that. Rebottoming tails.
GameStop could be maybe a good long swing trade.
Let's see here, GME. If it gets over the high, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it gets over the high.
Okay, here's EH. Let's see if it's going to break this low here. I'll Al Brooks it. So that's a wide range, nice igniting bar. Coming from a breakout, too. 1. Come on, where's he going to do it? All right, jumping into EH. Hopefully this keeps going. It's right at the low of the base, but we'll, you know, give it a shot. Technically speaking, shouldn't take out 1950. So I'm in EH now. This Reddit one sucks.
Yeah.
It's so slow. There goes LI. A little bit more.
Just reset it. Do you take that globe short?
Globe? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I took the globe long first, got out underneath that 2 minute, and, you know, just kind of flipped it short for a little bit just to see what's going to happen with it. I'm going to put my stop above this current red bar. This Reddit thing is kind of annoying. You know, I kind of see why it's doing what it's doing. We're at near the 20-period moving average. So I'm going to lock in some gains right here. 3 bottoming tails, you know, that's usually saying something. Apple looks like, okay. BLBE is probably just going to chop around as well, but I'm just in it. This EH, technically speaking, should continue and shouldn't take out 1950. So we'll see what happens. LIs, I think might be about done to the downside, and we'll pull back to the VWAP probably.
Could be.
Yeah. I missed HIMS. That was a beautiful 3-bar play right there up to the upside, and then it worked. I had it in my plan to do it, and then I think I got distracted. Yeah, I ended up taking the EH, I guess, as I was doing that instead of watching the HIMS. So I missed that one as I was doing. I could have just put an order to go above it, but I forget sometimes that I can just put an order, you know? I think Wix, WIX, will probably be my only counter trend short, WIX. I think we're going to get a little counter trend bookie dookie here.
Wow, HIMS, beautiful.
Which one?
HIMS.
HIMS, I know, right? Yeah. Yeah. Looking good. I'm actually going to get out of EH now. I'm putting my stop loss a little higher now.
Yeah. It's ball by ball.
Yeah, over this 2 minute, I think. It's a little tight of a stop. All right, I'm out of LI for just a little bit. We'll see if it comes back up to VWAP. You know, the opening range break worked. And then usually after that, you get the VWAP retracement. So hopefully the VWAP retracement can get back on board.
Yeah.
With this trade.
Yeah, I took a partial on LI and then set my stop above the red candle.
Okay, nice. Yeah, that probably is better than what I did. I got out the whole thing. And I'm putting my stop loss for the rest on Reddit above previous candle. Did you get a letter in the mail from TD Ameritrade with a bunch of like positions?
I did. Let me see. I just didn't open it yet.
Yeah, it was weird. I was like, what the heck are they sending me? They were sending me like all these trades on paper. Like you did this and then you did this. And I'm like, this. And I remember Charles Schwab doing that, and it pissed me off so much.
I'd be like, why waste paper, I guess.
Yeah, it was such a waste, but also some of it was like, oh, because you shorted this stock, your buying we're holding on to your buying power for this amount of time. Like really, really annoying trading stuff that they would do. Just absolutely annoying.
How often are you gonna send us this?
I don't know. This is where I was telling my wife, I was like, if Charles Schwab basically turns out to be like the way they were when I quit trading with them, I'm gonna have to basically quit trading with Charles Schwab, just use their platform just for charting, and then move on to like Webull or something where I'll get better fills and better, Yeah, it was just, I was like, oh my gosh, this is annoying. GLPE is working pretty good for me. Look at that.
Yeah, unfortunately, I didn't get to show that, but really nice.
Yeah, I'm really surprised I haven't even taken a partial yet. So I'm up 1 hour for the day just from doing these tiny little, amount of shares and just letting things go. Oh, wow. Okay, that's a wide range bar. Gonna move my stop loss.
Which could be a, yeah, that's beautiful. Man.
Yeah, so I'm moving my stop loss a lot closer to the bar now because the wide range bar usually signifies exhaustion, and but it also could signify more downside. So I'm just moving it down. Hopefully it keeps going. Wow. I thought this was going to be a beautiful long because it gapped over the 50 and it had room to the 200, but I guess the gap was a little bit too big. I think Reddit might be done too, just because we're at the.
Yeah, it seems like.
Wow.
HIMS is wow.
I know. I don't think anybody thought this was going to happen. I'm so kind of upset that I didn't get that 3-bar play. It was totally in my strategy. The morning opening range break was right there, and then beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the SPY. Something's going on with news. Look at the SPY. Look at this.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, huge move. So be careful.
GLBE, like, I'm going down.
Yeah,
I don't care what the SPY does. I'm going down.
Seriously, it's crazy. I'm just letting this thing. I'm like with 5 shares. I didn't even take this with the full amount that I normally should, because I should do this with 15 shares based off of the size of the price of the stock. But I went with 5 shares, and I'm already up $12 on it. So it's really moved pretty good.
Tesla has a level 2 to the downside.
Okay, nice. All right, here's that LI pullback to VWAP. Let's see if we get the pullback to VWAP.
Yep, I'm gonna get out of LI on that new high.
A good idea. What other stock am I in? Reddit. Okay, Reddit I'm still in.
Tesla looks like a good short.
Let me take a look on Tesla. TSLA. All right, I just got out of Globe, GLBE. I moved my stop on a little lower and lower and lower, and then it spiked up. I'll get back in. I just want to see a green bar here.
Oh, I'm still in that thing. I could partial, so just ball by ball.
Nice. Okay, I'm out of Reddit too. Okay, let's see what I did for the day here. 50 bucks. Okay.
Yep, 1 hour, right?
1 hour, yeah. So now I'm going to be a little bit more cautious about my trading and just try to keep my 1 hour. Oh, Apple's going berserk to the upside. So Apple looks like it's probably going to break that consolidation. Level 3 maybe, or level 2.
Yeah.
Wix is going up. Getting a little extended. Wix is getting a little extended. Wix probably around 10:30 tops out. Oh, Reddit. We got to go back in Reddit here. No, not a good idea. I'm not going to do Reddit. I want to wait for it to clear the 20-period moving average. It's right there. This is where things would bounce. Wow. Look at the market. Going bananas. I'll try a HIMS short, HIMS. Gonna wait a little bit, but that's good. Volume pretty strong on Apple. I think Apple could possibly be a long over the, I missed the long earlier and it's still going, but I didn't want to do it because it was an inside day. Now it's possibly going to turn into an outside day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for this HIMS. I'm gonna wait for HIMS and WIX to put in doji bars. And that'll probably signify a nice top for them for a little bit. Wow. Microsoft, Apple going crazy bananas.
Seems like Tesla is working.
Nice on Tesla, yeah. Tesla has that's a gorgeous looking short. Let me see how much room you got before you get to some support here. ESLA.
Oh,
Tesla an inside day. Oh, I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, it's probably not a good idea.
Yeah, probably. Well, you never know. It could break underneath the yesterday's low. You have better luck with inside days than me, so I don't seem to do that great. But that is a legit pattern. If it was an outside day and that was the pattern, I think I'd be more drawn to doing it for sure.
Yeah, I definitely should have checked a little bit more careful to see if it's an inside day or not.
Yeah, that's the tricky part, But then again, like maybe it comes back down and breaks underneath that green bar, and then it's even better, right?
Yeah. Microsoft might be a short. Microsoft? Doji bar?
Let's see, Microsoft. Yeah, you get the doji bar there. Let's see that being a little bit of a short scalp right there for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely, if the market starts falling, I think you'll get a better move on Tesla too.
What? Something happened. Oh, OKTA took me out. OKLA. OKLO.
Oh, okay.
Oh, damn it, Microsoft. I clicked, but I messed up and I tried to short with 0 share.
Oh, no.
So, now it's too late to enter.
Crap.
Stupid. How stupid of me.
Reddit's still going down, but I think looks like it might be bottoming right here.
Just
waiting for that VWAP. I would love it to come back up. Retest the V. Oh, like LI. LI is coming back up. Maybe retest the VWAP. It's very interesting. I'm noticing a correlation between stocks that move in the morning, come back, test the VWAP, and then move and down, versus stocks that don't even ever come back and test the VWAP and they go up and up and up. It seems like the ones that don't test the VWAP and just keep going higher without pausing are the better candidates for trying to go do a reversal on.
Yeah.
Because they're most likely, instead of testing the VWAP, what they're going to do is they're going to either do a midday VWAP, which is around 12 o'clock. So they'll basically top out and pull all the way back down to the VWAP, which is a really great short from wherever they're at.
Yeah.
Or they're going to test the 20-period moving average and But in either case, it's going to be a great short. And so they usually happen around 10:30, which makes sense because if you think about it, or 11:15, 10:30, that kind of time, because if they get too extended by without touching it all the way till that point, they're very far away from value at that point, you know? And so I've been looking at these correlations going, interesting how this works. By the way, I got back in Globe, so hopefully that keeps going down.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, I think it'll keep working here. And then there's the other one that I discovered, which is if it doesn't touch the VWAP, or maybe it does, but it goes down and you think it's going to be a climactic and you go long on it, right? And then it just goes sideways and it goes sideways and it goes sideways. Usually what that means is it's going to correct through time, not price. And then the 20-period moving average is going to catch up, and it's either going to do the midday transition trade where that downtrend turns into an uptrend when it gets over the 20 and then it starts kind of climbing back up, or it's going to end up being a really nice like level 3 or level 4 short. So I've been watching these interesting correlations between these things and really fascinating. Apple breaking out. There we go. Very nice. Wow.
Yeah. Tesla stopping out.
Yeah. GLB. See, that's the problem with the inside days, man. It's like you get that beautiful pattern. It looks really nice, a really great pattern, but then because support or resistance is like a bar away, the follow through on these things are very iffy,
Yeah.
They just don't seem to fall through as well. Or something like Globe has so much room to move either direction. Same with Wix. It's like you could get a short on Wix and it would work pretty nice because there's so much. Oh, okay. LI's coming back up. Let's see what LI does at the VWAP here.
Yeah, looks like LI might. Oh, Wix has an inside bar. Interesting.
Wix. Yeah, it could be a short underneath this 5-minute bar. That's what I'm thinking. Pull back to VWAP right here would be really nice.
Could be a long too.
Yeah, totally. Yeah. I'm thinking drop here, gets back down to the 8 or the VWAP. If it doesn't get back down to the 8 or VWAP, oh, Reddit is going to trigger again. I think unfortunately it's right at the 20. I'll try it, but whatever, we'll see. Let's see here.
Okay.
Is HIMS shortable? HIMM?
Could be.
Okay, well, if HIMS is shortable, then we should definitely try it later on. Hasn't given us a nice short yet. It's been still holding bar by bar. What's up?
Google for potential level 2 to the upside.
Okay, Google. Let me take a look. Google. GOOGL. Yeah, very nice.
Damn, Microsoft going down still. Dang.
Microsoft is going down?
Yeah.
Oh, geez. Yeah, that level 1 worked. Really nice.
I know.
Very nice. Very nice. Well, HIMS probably gets about 3 more bars in its upward direction, which will be pretty nice when you get a nice short here. Could probably have taken that long right there, that level 1, but that's a level 1 that I think I'd rather see like a level 2 or some sort of better consolidation here. I could see it being a breakout failure right after you get in. We'll
Which
see
one?
here. On HIMS.
Oh, I see, yeah.
You know, just the way it, you know, you get that huge move right there up to 19. And then it's popping back down, you see? It's like, you know,
Yeah.
too much.
Oh, Google trigger me in. Google.
Okay, all right. All right, we got the Wix, probably Hikaki bar right here. We'll see. HIMS is squeezing up still. I'm thinking probably gets to $20 a share. That's why I feel like it could keep going a little bit more.
Of course, Google gonna do a breakout failure on me.
Yeah, kind of extended, you know, and so is the market, you know. So it's a tricky thing. It's like, I feel like that pattern that you found would have been really nice right off the VWAP.
Yeah.
Kind of far from the VWAP. Like the one you did on Tesla, beautiful. Right after the VWAP, you know, like that was a nice one, but unfortunately Tesla's an inside day, so you just didn't get any follow through here.
Wix looks good for a short now.
Wix. Yeah, it looks better. Hopefully it can break underneath this 5-minute bar here. Watch for LI.
Yeah.
And the HIMS looks good. HIMS is getting extended.
Probably target $20.
Yep, that's what I'm thinking. 20. It's almost there.
Yeah.
Getting there. It's getting, pull it up. Up. Come on. A little higher. Almost at 20. There you go. Come on. Get to 20. Come on. Needs to get up to 20. That'd be nice.
There go Reddit.
Yeah, I'm in Reddit. So hopefully it keeps going. I'm moving my stop loss a little lower now. Just in case this is a breakout failure. We're getting a little extended here.
Reducing my share on Google just in case it's double top.
Oh, LI also, level 1.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to finish and then I'll put in an order.
Yeah. Good idea. Also, watch that EH. EH looking better. Just getting it
EH
a little bit.
is hitting the 8 on the daily.
Yeah, looking a little bit. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yep. Gotta break underneath there.
Wow, HINS.
I know. Well, that 5 minutes not done, but doesn't look great.
Mm-mm. I don't know how I can position inside with that wick like that. Huge.
What's up?
I don't know how I'm gonna position inside that tray.
I don't know. LI looks pretty good. Just gotta get underneath that. All right, LI just triggered level 1. We can get down lower. Well, HIMS will probably end up in a doji bar, so we'll probably have to wait for this one. All right, I got taken out of Reddit. I figured that was the bottom for a little while. Maybe he pulls back up to the VWAP. This LI trade. Yeah, well, we'll see what happens to HIMS. Hopefully HIMS can come back up a little bit. End off in rather than a just gigantic wick, but I'll take it nevertheless because you get that's the pattern. I'm just hoping that it doesn't stop right here. Well, I think it just triggered.
For what?
HIMS.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna give it a little bit of time before I jump in. Like you said, that's a huge bar. I'd rather catch it up a little higher.
Yeah.
Now that I saw it trigger, that's all right.
I can take a shot on this Google. It has that new
It's
high
not
channel.
above the. Well, yeah, I guess so. You could try it.
It has two.
Take a look at SMCI. That looks pretty good. SMCI is had a nice move in the morning, but it's breaking down. Oh, it's fortunately inside day as well.
Yeah.
Wait till it gets out of the range here before I short it. Apple looks like a level for the upside right here. GLBE looks like a short still. I'm hoping HIMS can break the high and then do a new high failure, and then we can short it,
Yeah.
Trying to get over that big wick at 20. Oh, I like this EH a little bit more now. If we can get underneath that 5-minute bar, that'd be nice. All right, I just grabbed an EH short. Thinking. Here comes Globe, GLBE. I'm going to take it underneath the low of day. Here. Putting my order in.
Market going back up. Huh? No, we should take Apple long.
Yeah, totally. It triggered. I just don't like that it triggered with such a small amount of bars. But it is long, you're right. It's outside day too.
Yeah.
You know, it looks great. GLBE is going to trigger. Here we go. Going to be another. Hopefully it gets underneath here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, GLBE. Come on.
Get me out of this Google. Google look like it's make one more long.
Yeah, it can happen. Yeah, for sure. I'm going to say Google looks better now. It's getting better. It's getting tighter and tighter. Consolidation. All right, here's Wix to the downside. I think I'm going to try it.
Right, yeah. Trigger.
There we go. All right, give it a shot. Breakout failure. Also inside bar, then short underneath there. Hims as well. I think could be a short underneath this 5-minute bar. Looks good. LI looks good for more downside.
Why you not
There
triggering me in?
Which one?
LI?
Oh, LI, yeah, LI triggered me in.
Yeah, it's didn't trigger me in, so I just have to manually take it.
Nice. Very nice. I think I just got triggered into Hims, so we'll see. Hopefully that was get a nice little drop here on this.
Damn it. Let me see. I'm about to break even, damn it.
All right.
The main culprit would be Google. I have a short on OKLO, but I got out too early.
Okay.
And it's going great, but I'm out of it.
Nice.
That sucks.
Oh, you're out of it. Okay. Dang. All right, Wix. Come on, Wix. Come on, Wix. It's all in the Wix. Come on, get us a nice move down here. Come on, buddy. There you go. Come on, Wix.
Well, down a little bit more.
Yeah, get back down to the 8.
Go down to 161 you can.
Yeah.
This EH is kind of going sideways now.
Ah, come on, Wix. Yeah, I'm thinking about EH. You know, I got my stop over that pivot, so just gotta let it play out. Hopefully it keeps going. Gonna get out a little bit of hints here. So that level 1 worked pretty nice. Just needed to wait for it, you know?
Yeah.
Oh. I think I think GLB might be done. Looks like it. I took an Al Brooks here for fun, just one share with SMCI. So let's see, because I figured SMCI is going down. Why the heck is SMCI going down when the whole market's going up? You know?
Yeah.
It's a market stock, so you would think, hey, what the heck, you know? So I'm just giving it a shot here. Okay, nice. Hints. There we go. There we go. Here's a good area to take a partial at the VWAP. Doesn't look bad. What just triggered? Oh, okay. I just got triggered out of the LI. Wow, that was a good exit.
Oh, damn.
Jeez.
Yeah. I should have paid attention more.
Yeah, I just kept moving my stop loss down with the, you know, the next bar and the next bar, and just in case. I'm doing the same thing on this EH as well, just in case it pops, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see. That Tesla, it's interesting. You look at the price pattern on Tesla. So Tesla had the breakout, failed to break out, came back up. What did it do? Rejected the VWAP, and then came back down. So you could have taken the level 1 right off the VWAP. That's like perfect, you know. All right, so HINS is back down pretty good. GLBE, I think I might jump in one more time on this. There we go. Getting the move I needed on the EH here.
EH, yeah, that level,
So
but
hopefully we can get, yeah, hopefully we can get back down there.
it's inside that range, so.
Yeah. Come on. There we go. There goes SMCI. I made $10 on SMCI with one share.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, I've just been holding it. It just keeps going down. Wait a minute. EH, how dare you? I did not. Well, I guess maybe it did get over the 2 minute. I guess it did, yeah. We're getting there. We're getting there. An SMCI.
Damn it, so how Google showed a little bit longer on that special sauce.
Oh yeah. EH is getting very slow. Very slow. Might not have worked on this. We'll see.
No. Well, let's see. Just gonna move ball by ball. See what happens.
Yeah.
It's inside that range, so it seems kind of choppy, but the moving average is like catching up. It's not going.
Yeah. I'm up to 65 for the day, so I think
Yeah, I'm
it's
kind
pretty
of
good.
I'm kind of break even, slightly in the red at the moment.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Were you able to do it with the correct share size of things, or you just do?
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Oh, you were okay. Yeah, I can't. I wasn't able to do ads or anything on stuff because I just don't know.
You know something? I think something. I think you have to contact Charles Schwab and see what's going on because like, after the market closed, everything seemed to work fine, but when the market come back in,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm thinking of like contacting them.
Yeah, you're right. When it's kind of strange, huh?
Yeah.
Thinking about trying this short one more time on Wix here. Looking like a. Oh, Reddit coming back up to VWAP for us. So.
Oh man, that special sauce on Google. Damn it.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh well.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Apple's still going up. Making outside day now.
Oh wow, that's 2 all right there if I held that Google short.
Jeez. Well, it's back down to VWAP. Let's see what it does at VWAP. If it rolls over and you get underneath the low of day, maybe it'll be an amazing short. I'm thinking Reddit could be a good short. I'm just waiting for it to get up towards the VWAP here, the 20-period moving average. Because we had a nice, strong move in the morning. I like this EH still.
Hey, do you have a Yeah, this EH still looks good.
Yeah.
What's your username on your Thinkorswim?
What's up?
What's your username?
My username is like 6. Oh, what's my username? I think it might be.
And we can add to this chat with a technician.
Let me see. What's my username? How do I find that?
I guess go to support on top.
Okay, support. Okay. And where do I create a support request?
I don't know. Try open active request or something.
Yeah, my username is DOG, D like Doji, Hammer, B. Oh wow, it's a long username. Let me just.
Copy and paste it for me, I guess.
Yeah. It is. It is D-O, like uppercase D-O-J. Actually, let me just text it to you. It's gonna be easier.
Wow, Google. What a missed opportunity. Wix could be a level 2 to the upside.
Yeah, that's true. Let me just D-O-J-H-A-M. B-H-I-K. All right, there you go. I sent it over. So we'll see.
You can change that.
What's up?
You can change that so you don't have to have a weird name like that.
Yeah, I guess I'll have to learn how to do it. I must have done it a long time ago and I don't even know.
I guess you can really. I think you can do it. Oh well.
Yeah. All right, this EH looking better.
Yeah, it's looking better. Hopefully, it can move now. Jeez.
Could take that Wix long, but
I know. Yeah.
the bar's kind of huge on the daily. I don't know if I trust it to keep going higher. That's insane.
I feel like it could do a new high value and then come back down. Retest it.
Yeah, I kind of like to try that as a short.
Yeah.
Just seeing if it tops out here. We'll see. Next bar. Oh, LI looking better for a short.
I don't
Do the
like
double top.
it that much. I don't know. Oh, EH stopping out.
Oh my gosh. What the heck? Yeah, EH. Probably heading up to VWAP. Reddit looks interesting. We'll see what happens with Reddit. I think HIMS is going to go down, retest the low one more time. But we'll see. I wouldn't be surprised if Wix turns into a breakout failure right here. But we'll see. Hims. Reddit. Okay, Reddit coming up to the VWAP.
Maybe him should be a long rather than short.
Yeah, kind of looks like it. Setting up, for the long side. Got LI hopefully keeps going a little lower. LI looks great. Same with EH still, even though it produced that wick. That was just meant to basically stop shorts out. Apple looks good for a little short here. A little scalp, but I'm not going to do it. All right, let's see what Wix does on this next bar. Produces follow through, then I'll have to go long, but if it produces breakout failure, then I'll go short.
Taking this Google long for a bounce to VWAP.
Yeah, I see that. That's nice.
Maybe you should just outgroup this Wix to the long side.
Yeah, the next bar, I think, if it goes higher than the previous bar, could be definitely an Al Brooks. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it. We'll see. The next bar will tell us. Apple just triggered a level 1 to the downside. Thinking we get a little spike down here on Apple.
Should we take this Wix now?
Yeah, I think so. Short. I'm going to wait for it to break the previous bar's low, though.
Yeah. There go LI.
Yeah, I'm in LI, so that's good. I'm happy about that. Got back in. I'm trying to hold it this time. Wix. See the next bar, I guess. All right. Also take a look at EH eventually. Eventually. Waiting on this stupid Wix. Definitely looks like it's trying to roll over here.
That's a nice drop on Apple.
Yeah, right? I just got that little scalp. That was pretty much it. I think it's, I'd rather go long.
Yeah.
Come on. I don't know about Wix. Let's see. We clearly got some support, but it's not moving any higher, so it seems like it eventually is going to roll over here. EH also looks good for a short. Gotta wait for it to get underneath that pivot.
Ooh, I'm glad I scalped that Google.
All right, did it come right back down?
Yeah, it come right back down.
Ah, we knew it. We knew it. Yeah,
The market is having a hard time going up.
yeah. Seems like it's, yeah, kind of topping out here. Ooh, I really love this Reddit right here. So just keep an eye out for a level 1 on the 5-minute here on Reddit. I think we got ourselves a possible short on Reddit.
GLBE could be a long to the VWAP.
Which one?
Globe GLBE.
Oh, yeah, it's above those levels now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a wick short underneath this doji bar if it triggers. Would be nice. It doesn't trigger though.
This like Wix can go up higher.
I know. I think it is. Crazy.
Oh wow, Google coming back down.
Oh, well there you go. That's a good. Probably could flip it short or go short on it. Wix trying to go higher, but it's also gonna be a short. Come on, buddy.
Apple coming down still.
Yeah. Wow, Apple. I think Wix is topping out right here, maybe. Looks like it. Doji bar, inside bar, usually. There we go. I think Wix is going to give us a nice move. Here. There goes Wix. Good job. Come on, Wix. Love to see Wix. Reddit looks great. It can get underneath the 5-minute bar. It'd be a good short. All right. Looks like EH is triggering. See if we can get down to the low of day now. Wow, glow. You're right about that.
Dang it. Yep.
Yeah, totally.
I saw it's kind of put in a red, so I was hesitant to enter. I should have put it in order. But,
well, it's not too late. It's not super far gone.
well, it's at the near the VWAP now, so I don't want to take it anymore.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
The trade-off
Right up in
is
there.
not that great.
Yeah. You were totally correct. I think I'm gonna jump into this Wix short here. Just waiting on it to trigger.
Yeah. Someone responded to my thing, so okay, let's see what they say.
Yeah.
I guess Google might keep going down. It's trying to break the 20 now.
Yeah, it looks like it. It's at the 20 now, so you know,
It could go down to the low of day.
Yeah. Apple looks like a short still. Wix looks like a possible rolling over here. Looking very, very nice. Yeah, I think it's going to roll over. Reddit looks great. Here comes Wix.
How do I spell Joshua? Well, that Google would have worked.
Yeah. And Wix is looking like a long. I'll see. We'll see. Underneath this 5-minute bar.
Wix definitely look like a long.
You think it looks like a short, Wix?
No, it looks good for a long.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
It's holding really strong. Here we go. Here goes Wix. Now, is this the breakout failure? I don't know. I'm going to stop trying to play it. If I see it get underneath this pivot, then I'll short it. But other than that, it's got to get underneath the pivot.
Well, Google working, nice.
Yeah, very nice.
This technician is asking me to share my code.
Oh, okay.
I need to have him sign an NDA agreement.
Yeah, they're gonna probably take a look at your platform and be like, "What? I don't even." Most of the time, they don't even know how to do coding like this. So hopefully, they'll be able to figure
No, I
out what
just
the.
give him a simple one so he can test it out to see if it work on his end. Just a simple
Oh, okay.
line, yeah. And I don't want to paste him in my all of my like just the main study otherwise. Like, what the heck is this?
Yeah.
Mhm. Like, no wonder it's not working. What the heck is this?
I know. What else we got here? Oh, that's good.
Google not coming down that much, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, he says he's working on his end.
What?
The text say that he can see the yellow line on his end, but
Oh, nice.
Định mua cái chổi cho em trong hình chổi màu đen rất là to, và khi nhận được nó như em giữ cái thẻ của chị.
right.
Here comes Reddit.
Here come LI level 3.
Yeah.
Or double bottom.
Yeah. And EH as well. Gonna probably trigger.
Hmm.
And GLBE also has a level 1.
Well, Microsoft is breaking that level 3. Oh, yeah.
Microsoft. Yep. Going down, that's good. That's a good sign for things. Yeah. Looks like Apple trying to break down as well.
Let me see.
Reddit looks good. Reddit.
Let me get out of Google and then I'm gonna log out, I guess, and see what happened.
Okay.
Wow, the LI turned out to be working really well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just still in it. You got 25 shares.
Wix looks like a good short now.
Yeah, I shorted it. So hopefully this is not a failed move. I'm thinking at least back down to the 20, which is 161.
Yeah.
161.40 something. You definitely see it drop down there. There comes LI a little bit lower. That'd be nice. we go. Come on. EH, okay, come on. EH.
Wow, LIS he worked out really good. EH looks good too.
Yep. EH just gave me a place to add, but I don't know how much I should add because I don't really know where my risk unit is on the trade. So I'm just gonna, I guess,
Do you
just
have,
let it.
do you have the share size calculator on you? And
I have the share size calculator, but it doesn't tell me. Remember, I was telling you, my share size, I put it to 50. Sorry, I put it to $10 risk unit, even though I'm risking 50. But it's kind of hard to explain, but basically, every time I add, I'm making I'm getting closer to using my $50 risk, if that makes sense. So whenever I get into a trade, I'm never risking even 50 on the beginning of the trade. It's always
yeah, I always have the main trade screen that has a lot of information.
Oh yeah, I can't do that on mine because I have the way I work. It's like I got each one. It's hard, but yeah, I mean, I understand for
you
yours
kind
it
of
works
stick
for
with
you.
like every chart is its own thing, but every chart is only as a watch. But
Yeah,
still
so every chart
trade.
is its own thing. So I want to, that way I'm like, because I can be in 8 trades simultaneously.
Yeah, I
And
mean I do that too, but I have one chart, one main screen too, as my main battle station.
yeah. Yeah, so like the way I work, the way mine works is I'm using the bubbles, the little bubbles that tell me how many share size, but those are all calculated to $10 risk. Even if it's a single bar, it's $10. If it's 7 bars back, it's $10. So every time I jump into a trade, I'm thinking I'm risking 10 on this, but I can build it up to five trades, 5 entries if I wanted to, or even less, depending on how big the share size is. But what will end up happening? Ooh, nice. LI is working. What will end up happening is NEH. Sweet.
Oh wow, look at LI is doing that extended ball now.
Yeah, it's probably time to get out soon. But what I end up doing, which is really clever, and what keeps me having these green days back to back, as long as I do this, when I come up with this system, I was like, this is genius because I can go in Apple long, level 1 here, risking $10, and if it keeps holding and it goes sideways for a little bit, I'll add another level 1, risking $10. But the thing is, it's not perfect system where every time I add $10, I'm making it a $50 risk unit. It depends on where that red line is on my graph that tells me where the $50 risk unit is. So what I do is, as I add another amount of $10, I can see that red line moving. You see what I'm saying? Moving on the chart. And sometimes I don't want the red line to move too far, if that makes sense. Like, let's say I want to continue to trade Apple to the long side and only risk $50, but I only want to risk $50 as long as it stays above VWAP. You see what I'm saying? Does that make sense? So like, let's say the red line.
Sorry, I'm talking to this tech guy, sorry.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, no worries. That's really cool.
Yeah, he's saying that it's work on his end, but not on mine.
Oh, that particular study is working on his end.
Yeah, but
The
no.
one with the quantity and P&L and the.
No, I just sent him the code for average trade size and my account size.
Ah.
To see if it's work on his, and he says work on his. but on mine it's nothing.
Try sending him here. Let me send you this code. Just see if this will work. It was the one that. I'm pretty much done trading for the day, but let's see here. Open P&L, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty much done too. I'm kind of like break even. Well, not anymore. Wix is going back up.
Yeah, Wix. I figured Wix is going to be a tough one to trade.
Yeah.
It's kind of a grindy one, and I suck at those. I really, really suck at grindy stocks because they have so much. There's just too much. There's a lot of indecision in the trade in the stock, but in the end, it ends up going where it's supposed to go, and you're like, how the heck does it have so much indecision and so much problems? But in the end, it ends up. I look back and it's up, and I'm like, and I was trying to go long and I couldn't go. Like every time it would go long on this Wix trade, Wix is my worst trade for the day because I took it long, stopped out, break even. Took it long again, stopped out, a little loss. Took it long again, stopped out, shorted, stopped out, break even. And it's like, it's not going anywhere. And I'm like looking at it going, you know what? After that, I should just stay away from Wix because Wix is basically going to become one of those grindy ones. I wish I could tell in advance that was the case, so that way I wouldn't get in trouble on that. Because if I didn't do Wix, it'd probably be up like 2 hours.
Nice.
Yeah, but I'm up an hour and a half, I think. All right, so here's because I took so many stupid losses on Wix, not going anywhere. Here's this code. Send them this code, the one I just sent you on Facebook. I wonder if this one will work because this one doesn't say account P&L or anything. This is just a risk unit of $50,
Yeah, no, I mean, it's not about the whole study. If the code works, then everything else gonna work. Everything else will fall in line. But if that one line of code doesn't work, then it's kind of useless.
Yeah.
Because everything that I create is based off that 2 lines. Your current entry, and in your case, your share size is fixed, so it doesn't matter. But on my end, it's my share size based off my account size.
So basically, you're saying if yours works, then mine should work.
You know what? That's the thing, though. I don't know. So because like something like on yours is like the reverse button works on yours, but not mine.
Yeah.
So
actually, I haven't done the reverse button since.
But I'm just like using that as an example. Like I don't know if it's gonna work on mine and not on yours, or if it work on mine then it's gonna work on yours.
Yeah.
So you might wanna kind of ask him also to see if there's something that they can do.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking like maybe it can be different case for you and different case for me because.
Well, if your study ends up working, maybe I'll just grab your study and just change it.
The thing is, the code works. That's the problem. Yeah. So I think it's something on their end that making it not work. So
I think so too.
So if they change something on mine, it can work on mine, but it's gonna still be the same for you, and it won't work.
That's true. That's true.
So you might have to.
Have to call them and do my own.
Do your own and see if that can be the case.
Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. I really wish I could make it work because I have way better trading in the end of the day when I can see where my risk is. Hi, buddy. Hi, Theon. I want to see where my risk unit line is, where that red line is on my chart as it moves. Every time I add, I want to see as it moves how much closer it is getting to the price. And then I want to see where my average
Looks
cost.
like Intel could be a good short.
Oh, okay. Let me take a
Also
look.
with Google too, like it has a Intel is looking good because it has a new high value.
Okay, let me see.
Breakout
see.
value actually.
And the funny thing is, SMCI is still showing I have a position in it, but I'm not.
Yeah.
So what the heck is that all about? You know, it's still, and the lines are working perfectly. So it's like, why is this one chart showing the study? You know, showing I have a quantity of 4 shares. I'm up $114. I wish. And it's showing me my position. Like, look at this. This is funny. It's like makes no sense. Let's see if I can show you. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, and it sometimes flashes NA.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can see this, but take a look. You can see the blue line. That's where it's saying my entry is, and the red line is where it's saying my stop loss is, where my risk unit would be, right? And I love seeing that on the chart because as I add more and more shares to things, those lines change, you know, and it always gives me a reference of where I'm at in the trade, where my risk unit is, if I want to add a little bit more, if I want to tighten my stop, if I want to increase my stop. I can't trade without those lines very well. I can take one entries and one exits on things. That's fine. Just, you know, like get in and then let it move and then take an exit or a partial, because I know where my entry is approximately. But with those lines, man, it turns me into a beast of a trader, because those lines tell me I can add. It helps me. I can see like, oh, my risk unit is always at the high of day right now. Okay, so if I add a little bit, now my risk unit is moving to the next area of value. And I can actually strategically move my risk down to VWAP. You see what I'm saying? I could keep adding and move my risk a little lower and a little lower. Hi, buddy. You hungry? So yeah, it's like when you created that study, it was like a breakthrough for me as far as a trader. Because before I was trading one, I would just get into a trade, right? Are you still there?
Oh yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what this guy's gonna tell me to.
Oh, never mind. I'll be quiet.
But he's like telling me things that's really not helpful.
Yeah, I'm telling you, they don't know what they're talking about. Yeah, before when I get into a trade, oh my God, I would just get in, take my partial, take another partial, and then get out. That kind of thing.
Yeah.
When you created that study, and then I finally learned how to use it correctly, because I was, I'm like, okay, what is this? How could this study be used? And I realized, it could be used as a way to see where I can add and how to keep my stop loss. The farther I can keep my stop loss away from price, the higher the odds of me having having a good trade. So I was like, okay. And then as the price continues to move in my favor, I'm now thinking like Tom Hugard and thinking of adding. And overnight, I just changed my thing, and I had like a full 2 weeks of green.
Google trigger level 2 to downside.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, after I started using that study correctly, I had 2 weeks solid green, not a single red day, and at least like one to 3 hours a day.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow, this is really good. I did have red trades, but I looked at the end of the day on my red trades, and it'd be like $5 red trade, $2 red trade, like small red trades. And then my green trades were like $25, $30. I was like, wow. So I'm, now I look at my trades, and because I don't have that study, they're all like you know, it's more like similar. The red trades and the green trades are very similar because when I add, I'm destroying my cost average, and I don't know where my stop loss is anymore. And then the only way I can know is by I'll look at the side of the screen where my position tab is, and I can see like, oh, as it goes up here, I'm losing like a half an R. Like that sucks, you know. Like I wanted to.
The guy want me to reset my workspace. What the?
Oh, I heard about that. He could be right. I did read something on that.